Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to exchange your Rev Points for money or rewards using the Revolut app. If you've been using Revolut and collecting points through spending or referrals, you might be wondering what exactly you can do with them. Well, good news. You can actually redeem those Rev Points for valuable rewards, including airline miles, travel bookings, and even discounts at checkout. Let's walk through how it works. First, open your Revolut app and head to the bottom menu. Tap on the section called Rev Points. This is where all your points and rewards are managed. Once you're inside, you'll see different ways to redeem. The most popular option is converting your points into airline miles. To do this, tap on Miles. You'll see a list of partner airlines. Choose one, and make sure your airline account is linked. The name on your Revolut account must match the one on your airline profile to avoid any issues. After that, just enter the amount of points you want to convert and hit transfer. In a few minutes, your airline miles should show up in your loyalty account now. If you're not planning to fly anytime soon, no worries. You can also use your Rev Points to book hotels or experiences through Revolut Stays and Experiences platform. Just browse through the options, pick a destination, and apply your points at checkout. Lastly, another cool way to spend your points is directly through Revolut Pay. If you're shopping online and the store accepts Revolut Pay, you can use your Rev Points as a discount at checkout. No need to convert them into anything else. And that's it. Whether you're planning a trip, booking an activity, or just looking to save money while shopping, your Rev Points can definitely come in handy. If this helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more Revolut tips, and drop a comment. If you have questions or want to see more rewards tutorials, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.